Good afternoon, students. We started our lesson 2, Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. First of all, part we completed. I hope you understood well. And what is the theme of this lesson? This lesson is this extract has been taken from the Nelson Mandela's A Long Walk to Freedom. Nelson Mandela's book autobiography, A Long Walk to Freedom. In this lesson, described that his fight for Mandela's fight for freedom for his own people who were tortured by whites. There was a racial discrimination, that is between the whites and the blacks. The white are the supremacy of their, means for last 300 years there was going on this system. Okay. So, in this chapter, Mandela gives two contradictory pictures of his own country. One, in which the blacks were tortured and suffered quietly, and second, the blacks will be free to live the life of their own. Okay. Then, the 10th May, the day of oath, there was the lesson is on the about the swearing in ceremony, means oath taking ceremony occasion, because then Nelson Mandela was going to take the charge as president of South Africa. Okay. The day oath with a bright and shiny sun. Nelson Mandela was supposed to take oath as the first black president. That is the point. First black president of the South Africa. Large number of leaders from South Africa also, whites also, and blacks also, and other countries' leaders, very dignitaries, personalities came to attend the oath taking ceremony. And he thanked while he was giving the speech, he thanked to all the dignitaries present there, and he promised to his people never he would experience the struggling of the difference between the torturing of whites and between blacks also, and never he would never experience any poverty, any racial discrimination, or any region. Nothing was there. Okay. He agreed, he promised to his people, because he understood that the development of a nation, for a development of nation and unity of a nation, there is equality. Equality is the main important thing. Okay. Let me continue the second part. A few months later, we all lifted our eyes in awe as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters, and troop carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union buildings. It was only a display of pinpoint precision and military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. Only moments before, the highest generals of South African Defence Force and police, their chest bedecked with ribbons. Chest bedecked means their uniform, complete uniform of army, with the ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before they would not have saluted but arrested me. The funny thing is that today on that day, all the army generals are saluting, giving salute to the Nelson Mandela. But the funny fact was that so many years before, they would not have saluted but arrested me. Because he was the freedom fighter for the black. Finally, a chevron of Impala jets left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue, and gold of the new South African flag. Okay. So, what do you mean by this? O means amazed. O means amazed. Spectacular means array of spectacular array means an impressive display, colorful, attractive. An impressive display, colorful, and attractive. Okay. Eye-catching way means attractive means eye-catching way. Array means an impressive display. Troop means you know that group of army and armed forces soldiers. Precision means accuracy. Precision means accuracy. Bedecked means decorated their uniform with ribbons. Unmindful, not conscious of, aware. Unmindful means not conscious or aware. Chevron means what is chevron? Chevron means a pattern in the shape of V. Trail means series. Trail means a series. Trail means series. Chain, we can say continuation. Okay. So, just after the newly elected president's address, after his president's address to the audience, an impressive arrangement of fighter jets, helicopter, an impressive arrangement, eye-catching, beautiful arrangement by military force. What was that? Fighter jets, helicopter, and soldier transporters raised everyone's heads up in the sky.